Hello everyone, I am Taruna and today I am going to make poetry super easy. Many students find poem confusing and little bit difficult, but by the end of this video you will understand some of the major poetry forms which we come across while studying literature. Some of the forms of poetry are like ballad, sonnet, free verse, blank verse, elegy. Many of the forms are not in your syllabus, but it is important to understand basic forms of poetry to make your English understand better. First, ballad. Ballad is a storytelling poem, often about love, adventure, or tragedy. It has a simple rhyme and rhythm like a song. For example, The Ballad of Father Gilligan by W.B. Yeats. बैलेड एक ऐसी कविता होती है जो किसी कहानी को गाने के रूप में सुनाती है। आमतौर पर किसी व्यक्ति, घटना या रोमांचक प्रसंग का वर्णन होता है और इसको एक गाने की तरह गाया जा सकता है। फ्री वर्स has no fixed rhyme or rhythm. It flows naturally like speech and focuses on expression and imagery. For example, Amanda from class 10. It does not follow any consistent rhyme scheme. It does contain rhythm, rhyme at some places, and makes use of literary devices, but lack of a fixed structure make it a free verse poetry. फ्री वर्स वह कविता होती है जिसमें तुकबंदी या निश्चित लय का पालन नहीं किया जाता। कवि अपने विचारों और भावनाओं को पूरी आजादी से व्यक्त करता है, इसीलिए इसे मुक्त छंद कहा जाता है। ब्लैंक वर्स has no rhyme, but it has a regular rhythm. For example, Ulysses by Alfred Tennyson, which you might have read at some stage. It is a poem which contains unrhymed lines, but at the same time creating natural flow and a sort of rhythm for a dramatic monologue. ब्लैंक वर्स वह कविता होती है जिसमें तुकबंदी नहीं होती, लेकिन एक निश्चित लय, रिदम और मीटर जरूर होता है। Now elegy. Elegy is a poem of mourning written for someone who has died or to reflect on loss. It has a sad but thoughtful tone. For example, Thorn's Gray's elegy written in a country churchyard. Elegy वह कविता होती है जिसमें कवि किसी प्रिय व्यक्ति या चीज के खोने पर दुख व्यक्त करता है। The poem A Photograph from Class 11 is a good example of it. In this poem, the poet reflects on the loss and death of mother. Now, how to analyze a poem quickly? Read the title carefully, look for the speaker or narrator, who is talking. Identify key emotions like love, grief, anger, hope. Notice poetic devices like simile, metaphor, alliteration. Check the structure, ballad, sonnet, free verse, blank verse, or elegy. Now, quick tips to remember poetry types. Ballad, the storytelling; free verse, the natural speech; blank verse, the rhythm, no rhyme; sonnet, 14 lines plus theme; elegy, sad poem, tone. So these are some of the main poetry forms. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next session on more poetry tips. See you in the next video. Coming live soon to discuss any poem from class 10 or 12. Give me a choice. Next video may be on the literary devices which are used in the poem. So stay tuned and wait for my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.